Hey fam, I am on the Carnival Firenze for a 5-day cruise staying in the Terrazza Cabana room. Let's go check it out. Starting from the front door to the right, you will see that there's some hooks, so you could have some coats or some things up here right on these hooks. And also to the left, you will find this space here where you put your card or any card that can fit in here. If you take it out for an extended period of time, the lights will go off. So it operates the lights to go on and off. Now your first closet coming further into the room, you will see hangers, 2 robes, and beneath place where you could put some luggage. And here is a standing mirror as well. Now the second of 3 closets, you will find additional storage, some hangers, and a shelf. Also beneath it, you can place some luggage beneath this as well. And the third closet, in here you will find your life vest, some shelves, you'll find your safe, and additional shelves to be able to put items. Now, coming to the left of the door, coming into the room, here is your bathroom. Be careful, there is a step. And the first thing you should notice is that there is not a curtain, but a shower door in here. And so it's a nice sized bathroom to me. You will find your towels. This is the sink, not too bad. And coming further in, you will find the mirror and box of tissues, some shelves over here. And right here, we will find a place that you could charge or put something in, plug something in, if you so desire. Decent sized room for me, decent sized bathroom. Coming further into the room now, you will find your thermostat. So you operate your heat or your cool air right here. Now you find your sofa. This is a nice sofa. What do you think? I like this sofa. This is a nice size for me. Right in front of it is a table. You will find here your desk. You'll find your phone. You'll find shelves here, a mirror, a ice bucket. Now this binoculars is not for you to keep. If you take it with you, you will be charged. And here are your plugs right here. So you have your USBs, your 120 volts, your 230 volts. Now you have a stool here. So it's not a big chair, but you have a stool underneath the desk as well as your garbage bin. So in this drawer, you will find your hair dryer. And behind this door, you will find your fridge. Now, going further, here is the bed. Next to the bed, you'll find 2 lamps. There will be additional storage on 2 sides of the bed. Nice size TV here right in front of the bed. And over to this side of the bed, kind of hiding out, is additional USB. So you're in the bed, you want to be able to charge up your phone, you can do so with those in the corner. And right out here is the balcony. Do you want to take a look outside? Let's go outside. So let's head outside. So there is a trick to this door. I had to find out from the room steward. So behind this curtain, there is a button. And this first button, it has like a key. So you would have to hold down on this button 3 to 5 seconds. And after you hold on this button for 3 to 5 seconds, this will allow for the door to open. So here is my balcony area. And so, beautiful. This is the scenery right in front. And this is how it would look going into the bedroom. Here are my lounges. I could put something on these items here. It is wicker because as you can see, it will be privy to the elements because it is open on top. And they also say that you can have a hammock in this area upon request. So this door does open, so you could go outside and walk on the deck. So another thing I have to show you, in this area, if you shut the door, if you don't have your key, you will be locked out of your room. So tap your card, and when it turns green, then you're able to go back into your room. Just some tips for you before you come in this room. What you need to know about staying in the Terrazza staterooms is that you have access to a place called the Terrazza Moda, and it is a place that you can go. They will leave one of these bands in your stateroom for you, and you have access to that area when you show your band. It is at the back of the ship on deck 5. Let's go check it out right now. So this is the Terrazza Moda, and so these are for individuals that have access to this area. See the chairs. You get to see the beautiful view of the water. Beautiful, right? Here's the motor bar right here. A little bit of statues, little quirky statues. But this is nice. You see that there's a hot tub here and a hot tub in the other area as well. So we don't have to go to the Lido or any other part of the ship. We just can come here. There's enough shade. When you come down these steps, there's additional seatings. And so it would be seatings right where you can see the water. Look how close you are to the water. Right here. This is a great place for individuals that have access to Terrazza staterooms. At the Terrazza Moda. So what do you think about the room and that private area, the Terrazza Moda, for those individuals staying in the Terrazza staterooms? Let me know what you think. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. It will greatly help my channel, and I'll appreciate it if you do so. Until next time, happy travels.